At Johnson Controls, we know the buildings we equip are as unique as the customers we serve. Because of that, we've developed end-to-end capabilities and robust product portfolios to provide our diversified customer base with solutions that advance the safety, comfort, and intelligence of spaces to power their missions. Our dedicated sales professionals have the passion to win, a customer-focused approach, a unified, one-team mentality, and a decisive process. Because we're committed to driving success in the organization, we need salespeople who excel at delivering our value proposition, negotiating with skill, and closing with precision. Let's hear from our teammates and learn more about what they do for Johnson Controls and our customers.
My name is Ignacio del Casar, and I'm based in Madrid, Spain. Currently, I'm the Business Developer Leader for Europe, Africa, and Middle East, for the Fire Detection Business Unit. As business developers, we are in the process to finding the match between our JCI solution and a segment in the market. The best part of working with the team, formed by people all over the world, is that we can learn from each other, which help us to grow in both manners, personal and professional.
Hello, I'm Bobby Leggett, Sales Director, National Account Ductus Systems, and I just wanted to share with you why I really enjoy working at Johnson Controls. It really has to do with the teamwork. It has to do with individuals coming together and collaborating on certain projects. One of the key things for me is really celebrating success as well. And then the other part of the team is that what are we going to work on next? Where are we going next? What's our next journey? How can we all work together to go make something else happen?
You can clearly see that the passion we have for our customers drives everything we do. We believe in our products and services, and our future-focused sales team is leading the charge in developing pipelines of future business. Join us and help us continue to build a world that is safer, smarter, and more sustainable for our current and future customers.